And welcome back, everybody. It's been a very long time since I've been on YouTube. I feel a little bit unscripted, a little bit nervous, mainly because it's been a while. Why have I been away? Flat out busy. Been running my own company, teaching a lot. And in between, actually learning a lot more about Revit and how to apply it to, to projects and things like that. So this video is just a very quick introduction and reintroduction about who I am, where I am, and all that sort of stuff. So just a refresher. So my name is Rhys Davies. I used to have a company called Supernatural Group. That is no more. I've gone from company structure just down to myself as a sole trader, use subcontractors for private work, but I'm still teaching at Victoria University as one of the teachers there. So anyway, on the screen, as you can see, there is a house, 3D view of a house. It's my goal to show you how to build this house. Now, I know I've done some basic houses and things like that in the past, but I'm going to start again. Keep the old videos, but I'm going to start this one again. The difference being is that I'm going to include links probably either on the Revit screen or in the comments stage of every section of every video that I put up with DWG or Revit family files that you can download, okay, so that you can follow me exactly as to build this particular project. Okay, so in the past I didn't do that. I'll be honest, I wasn't too clued up on how to do it, but now I'm a bit more prepared, and we'll see how it goes. So just a quick swing round, and just show you this one. So if we're in Revit, so I've had the shift key down and the middle mouse button down so I can scroll around. Okay, so as you can see, this house is on quite a slope. Okay, so it is showing elements of cut and fill. If you look underneath, there's a few pieces under there. Don't stress about those. Okay, come around the other side. So the idea is that this, like the other videos, covers everything, but it is a much more solid design, certainly a lot more compliant. There's a few extra bits in there that I hadn't previously shown you. Now, just going up here, and I've got my 3 tabs up here, so I'm just going to show you, why I haven't been making videos. So this one here, I've built that. Okay, click on this tab here. This is a little project that I've got going on at the moment. So as of the 9th of August, when I'm recording this, engineer is currently working on this project at the moment. We've got some problems in here, in this section here. If I take the roof off, just hide that for a second. Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but there is basically no bracing. There's no walls in that section. And the engineer's told us we need to strengthen that up somehow. So that's what he's working on at the moment, and he's going to portal frame it. And the client's just signed that off, and we'll see how he goes. But as you can imagine, you look at this sort of stuff and you go, right, well, there's a roof, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skylights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 windows. If I come around this side, ooh, it's a little bit hard to see. Another big window there, another big door there. This space, it's a living room, it's a nice space, but it is all glazing, and there is very little structure in there. So as a building designer, that's created some issues. We love the design, the client's really happy with it, but boy oh boy is it giving us a headache. As for the rest of the house, that's all trusses, not a problem, easy peasy. Okay, yeah, so it's a little bit of a show off for me. Let's put my roof back on. Yeah. Ooh, I clicked on something there. So as you can see, you know, my method of teaching hasn't really changed. If I make a mistake, you get to see it. This is reality. It's not perfect. Okay, if we go to this other tag here, this is another project that we're working on. Again, engineer's done his job. Client's currently getting it costed up. So if we look at phasing, this is showing everything completed. If I go to my phase filter and show all phases, you'll see that they're greyed out. So this house is existing fence, existing topo surface, but all of this in colour here is a brand new project. Okay, and if you spin that around, okay, it's quite sort of Bauhaus, you know. It's what this project is doing is following the prescribed setback. So the setback actually runs along there. So to maximise space, we're actually hugging that. The engineer went around and said, got big problems. I've got no straight walls to provide me with some bracing. So again, this is a portal frame that is cantilevered, all sorts of weird and wonderful things happening. Okay, so these, if you're new to building design or if you're a student, this is what you can expect. I seem to be, my office and the work I do, these are the sort of projects that I get. I don't get your sort of run-of-the-mill sort of, stock standard little houses like this. I get this nice fun stuff which require sort of fairly crazy engineering. I love it, but it does create some headaches. But I didn't come into this industry to be bored, and yeah. So anyway, back to this one here. Like I said, give me some time. Probably going to start making videos soon. But what I'll do is I'll show you basically from start to finish how to prep up this assessment. I will give you all the links. And we'll try and show on the screen, as we go through each process, what we're trying to tackle and why we do things in a certain order. So, like I said, just bear with me. A little bit rusty, but I'm hoping that you will see this video and anticipate, some fun and learning new things as we go along. So, yeah. I'm going to sign off now, and we will see you later.